Hello adventurers and welcome back to the Fantasy Forge. Today we're shedding a little light on one of the most crucial mechanics in Dungeons & Dragons 5th edition, which is something that can truly make a difference in your character's performance, and it's something very small, and that is your proficiency bonus. Now this seemingly small addition to your rolls can be the difference between epic triumph and crushing defeat, so let's break it down. So first of all, what is proficiency bonus? In D&D 5th edition, a proficiency bonus is a bonus that is added to certain ability checks, attack rolls, or saving throws that your character is proficient in. Proficiency represents your character's particular skill or training in a specific area, which means that they are just a little bit more likely to succeed when it really matters. So how is it calculated? Now the proficiency bonus is determined by your character's level. This is the same across the board no matter what character, no matter what race, class. Everyone starts at a +2 at level 1 and it increases as you gain levels. By the time your character reaches level 17, the proficiency bonus is a hefty +6. This means that the more experienced your character is, the more skilled they are likely to be. Now how do you use it? Your proficiency bonus is added to any roll where your character's specific skills, tools, weapons, or saving throws proficiency comes into play. For example, if your rogue is trying to pick a lock and they're proficient with thieves' tools, you would add your proficiency bonus to that check. It reflects that extra bit of finesse that your rogue has from training and experience. Remember, your proficiency bonus only applies to the things that your character is proficient in. This will depend on your character's class, their race, and sometimes the background. So if your character is a wizard casting a spell, you add your proficiency bonus to the spell attack roll because wizards are proficient in the arcane. But if the wizard is swinging a longsword, they're probably not going to be proficient with it, so you're not going to get that bonus. That proficiency bonus might seem small at first glance, but it plays a huge role in shaping your character's abilities and your gameplay. It adds a huge layer of depth to your character, showcasing their growth, their expertise, and training as they level up, so remember to apply it when it counts, and watch as your character becomes a master of their craft. Hopefully that helps you understand what the proficiency bonus is and how to use it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, forge on, adventurers, and we'll see you in the next video.